Hey, Sean Nightfire here. Gonna try and rebuild this disc harrow. I picked it up for my garden tractor. It ended up being way bigger than I thought, but still $150. Um, Class 1 hitch pins. I'm gonna try to replace these with Class 0 and face them inwards. Uh, this hitched up right here. Might be able to use this so it's a little bit more manageable for the Class 0. All in all, don't know the exact specs of this thing, but it's north of 500 pounds. So this has 8 blades on it. Excuse me, 16. I might rebuild it so it's maybe like keep 4 in the front, 2 in the back, so it'll be 10 total. Sorry, 4, 2, 6, 12 total. Yeah, we'll see. A lot of work, a lot of rust. Bought a bunch of new tools to try to work on this project, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. So we got these lower pins off. Had to use some heat. They say they're pretty beat up. However, I got this used for $80, and I'm telling you, this thing is a beast. It was enough to get this one, which I didn't get all the way out, but as you can see, it's like rust is eating through it, almost through the entire bolt. But yeah, this thing is fantastic. It's going from a 3/8 all the way to a 3/4. So yeah, hopefully I can get this one out and keep on going from there. Yeah, unfortunately, as you can see, it's completely, there's nothing to hold on to there, so it's almost eaten all the way through. I'm gonna have to try to cut that with the sawzall. Angle grinder would be nice right about now, but we'll see. Yeah, well, the old Ryobi sawzall did it. Transitioning to cobalt, so we're getting there. I live near a Lowe's now, so, but yeah, we'll try to put those Class 0 connectors on there. Yeah, we're gonna use some brushes to try to clean out some of the inside of there too. So putting these together, I'm also putting these bushings on, so it's nice and somewhat snug in there. Unfortunately, not quite enough room for a lock washer, so I won't be able to put that on. Just enough room to put the other nut on, so I'll get those on. All right, so I don't really like the way that felt. I put it in there. It still has, like, even tight, it's still kind of like wobbly in there. So this is the old lock washer. I'll get a new one, but if I fit that on there, I'll probably get 2 on each side, and it'll fit a lot more snug, a lot less wiggle there. So less wiggle, less wear. All right, so the reason the other one was so damaged, this other bolt, is this got out of alignment, so I'm gonna try to jack it back into alignment. Looks good. Actually, if I could have. All right, so those bottom links, we'll just have to wait till I get those new split washers, so it's a little bit snugger in there. I'll try to take this one out so I can replace this. This thing, this one's pretty rusty. Holy cow! This thing is a beast. So a little bit different situation with the top link. Original was here, again Class 1. I'm going for a Class 0, which is this thickness. So I need a thinner bushing that'll take away that slop, and then the top link will still fit here, so there'll be a gap like so, and if I close this off it won't be able to shift. The bushings will still protect it from here, and it fits nice and snug. I did that with a really large aerator that holds core aerator that weighs about 450 pounds, and yeah, John Deere handles are great. So yeah, I think I'll stop there. I gotta get the bushings, I gotta get the split washers. This is just part one. It's gonna be a long process. Like, share, subscribe, comment down below. I'm not trying to make money off YouTube, just kind of a lonely guy. See you next time.